Hello friends, my name is Subrata Mishra and today I am going to start a channel how to cook in electric kettle. Okay, in this video today I will prepare Maggie. So I put some water in this kettle, let it boil for some times. See, the water is boiling now so nicely. So I will put only the Maggie in this water, boiled water. Don't put any masala, only put Maggie in this boiling water. Okay, then usually you used to cook Maggie for 2 minutes, no, to let the noodles be done. Let it be boiled for some time. Okay, as you can see, the Maggie is done now. So switch off it and simply drain the water and keep this Maggie out of the water and clean the kettle. As you can see, the Maggie is done now and I have cleaned this jar. So put some oil in that after cleaning this jar. I have already cut tomato, onion and garlic, and this is the green chili, and put some garlic. Cook the onion till it looks light brown or golden color. Stir it well. Cook till the onion turns to light brown or golden color. Fry this well. Yes, the onion is done. As you can see, this is light brown color. Now put some tomato. Mix it well. Add some salt to this. And yes, obviously the Maggi masala. Yes. Now mix it well till the tomato is done. Okay. Till tomato will be fully or partially melt. Done. Fry this mixture. The taste depends on how much time you fried the masala mixture. Okay, so fry it well. Now the tomato is also done. Now add that Maggie to this mixture. And after that, add some soya sauce to it, just for color. If you don't like soya sauce, then no need to add. It is not mandatory. Turmeric powder. Now mix it well. Okay friends, mix it well. Fry this Maggie hardly for 1 minute, otherwise it will become a paste that will not taste good also. Looking nice, right? Okay, now it's done. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please try this in your home, and after that subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the thumb button or like my video. Thank you. We will meet in our next video.